What's the meaning of confectioner's sugar? Confectioner's sugar. Confectioner's sugar.
Confectioner's sugar. Confectioner's sugar. Confectioner's sugar, also known as powdered sugar or icing sugar, is a finely ground sugar that has been milled to a powdery consistency. It is often used in baking and confectionery to create a smooth texture and to sweeten recipes without adding graininess. Confectioner's sugar dissolves easily in liquids, making it ideal for making icing and frosting. It is also commonly used to dust over pastries, cakes, and desserts to provide a delicate, snow-like appearance. Its fine texture allows it to blend easily with other ingredients and evenly distribute throughout the recipe.